This pin is wow. And so guys, a big congratulations to me. I just received my AdSense pin from Google. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get this very quick. In less than some few weeks you'll be getting your AdSense pin if you are able to follow what I'll be showing you right in this video. Okay, so this AdSense pin, I applied for this on the 15th of March. Now I'm getting it on the 10th of April. Okay, actually this arrived before then, but before I was able to get this to my own post office, it was around the 10th of April. Now what you would like to do if you want to receive your AdSense pin very quick is for you to put in a detailed information that you can actually get before the time. Now I'm going to be taking you to my screen to show you how this is done, so you can get to understand what I'm about to explain to you. Okay, this is actually like you verifying your address. Without getting this AdSense pin on your Google account, you can't get paid on YouTube. Now this AdSense pin actually gives you access for your funds to be moved directly to your AdSense account, which you can actually get in your dollar account. Okay, so without the AdSense pin you can't have access to your funds on your monetized channel. So I'll be taking you to my screen to show you how you can actually insert this and verify your address on your account. Okay, and so right now what I just need to do is to open this. This is our Google pin. So this is the pin that you will have to input on your required space, and your address verification will be verified. So I'm going to show you how this is done so you can get to understand this process, and I'm going to tell you how you can actually get your pin very fast in this video. So I'll be taking a screen record from my phone. So what you just want to do is to come over to your studio, your AdSense account. Once you're there, just come over to verification check and it will load up. Now you can actually see the said address verification. Right now this is where you're going to input this 6-digit verification pin. Now I'm just going to input this pin to verify my address. And so guys, when you look at my screen right now, you can actually see that the identification verification has been ticked and also the address verification has been ticked. Now this is what you need to do to get your AdSense pin very fast. While filling in your details for your AdSense, make sure when you put in your address, just add "please call me." Okay, just add "please call me" and put in a mobile number you can be reached on. So that is one step. And one thing you also need to do is to make sure you actually visit the postal office you want that is closer to you, and confirm that they usually receive the AdSense pin. So by so doing, you are actually putting your AdSense pin in a safer hands. Okay, not that you just have to Google a random postal code online and you actually put it on your AdSense setup. So this is actually what you just need to do. The main thing is just to confirm that the postal office received AdSense pin, and the other one is to put an additional statement that says "please call me," and you're going to be getting your AdSense pin in less than a few weeks. Okay, and if peradventure you are not able to get it on postal office, you'll be called with the number you inserted while putting your while setting up your AdSense account. So this is all about getting your AdSense pin very quick. I hope this video helps, and if it did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So see you on my next video and keep winning.